So I am gonna be unboxing this coffee grinder I just got, Porlex Mini Coffee Grinder 2. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I got it. I have another one. I just want to try this one out. It's a little bit smaller. I use it all the time, so try it out. The box is pretty cool. It's got Japanese writing everywhere. It says it's made in Kikoshima, Japan, right there. My daughter said that says loyal, brave, and true, but it says made in Kikoshima, Japan. So let's check it out. The Porlex Mini Coffee Grinder 2. And then I'll do another video of me reviewing my old one over my new one. Cool little handle. There's the handle for it. Let's see what we got. And that is the grinder. And then instructions. And that's it. Yeah, instructions in Japanese too. So that is the grinder. Looks pretty nice. I like the fact that it's smaller and it got this handy dandy holder right here if I can make it work. So yeah, I can hold it so now I don't have to lose my handle. So it all goes together. I think it holds 20 grams of coffee. Everything goes in there, you see that? I'm having my daughter film, so. Fits on right there. Let's see if it fits on. Feels pretty good. Let's check out the grinder mechanism. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much all ceramic, which is supposed to be all ceramic. Everything's made in Japan. Looks like good quality. Fits on there pretty snug. We'll see how it works out. And there it is, the Porlex, what is it called again? Porlex Mini Coffee Grinder 2. Like I said, I have another one that's a little bit bigger. I'll do a review of that one compared to this one and which one I like better. Thanks.